Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to swap your crypto using a platform called SimpleSwap. By the end of this video, you know exactly how it works and how to use it step by step. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my crypto guides. And let's jump in.
So guys, what is SimpleSwap? Okay, let's start with the basics. SimpleSwap is an instant cryptocurrency exchange. Think of like a middleman that helps you swap one coin for another without creating an account or going through a complicated verification process. So you don't need to register, you don't need to KYC for small amounts. It's all about simplicity and speed. Okay, that's cool. And that's a big deal, especially if you just want to swap some Bitcoin for USDT or maybe trade your Ethereum for a more niche altcoin. And here is the cool part. They support more than 1,050 cryptocurrencies. So chances are wherever you want to swap, they've got it covered. Okay, so getting started. So let's open SimpleSwap. Here's we are on the homepage. Right away you'll see the clean swap. So this is where all the magic happens. Okay, so at the top there is a simple menu, so you can see a lot of options like how it works, customer benefits, analytics, currencies, and business. And here you can log in and you can get an account if you're a new user. Okay, and the main swapping tool, as you see, and loyalty program. So I'll explain this in a second. And also affiliate program, a way to earn by referring friends, and support, super handy if you get stuck. All right, now let's do a walkthrough and I'll show you exactly how to make a swap step by step. So how to make a swap? Let's say you want to swap, for example, one Bitcoin. Okay, so first on the left drop down you select Bitcoin and type, for example, 1. Okay, then in the right or in the button you can let's say you want to swap. Then in the right drop down you select USDT, for example, or wherever you want, for example XMR or wherever you want, okay, or any coin you want to receive. Okay, immediately SimpleSwap shows you the estimated amount you'll get, and keep in mind this is approximate because crypto prices fluctuate every second. Okay, so cool. Okay, so below that there is a big change button. Click when you're ready. Top here on SimpleSwap. So as you see, guys, Ethereum to Solana, Solana to Bitcoin, and more and more. Okay, so that's cool. So guys, let's see more the interface. For example, here you see support, 24/7 support, so you won't be left alone. Our support or their support team is easy to reach and ready to answer your questions. Okay, non-custodial crypto is sent directly to your wallet. We don't store it on our service. Okay, buy crypto with fiat, so simple. Buy plus 30 coins using your debit credit card. Profitable, benefits from the market leading rate, and safe. Okay, receive crypto directly on your wallet. Okay, so here more information. And here you can see a video guide, how it works and how you can swap exactly. Okay, that's cool. So next they ask you for your USDT wallet address, so you copy your USDT address from your wallet, whether it's your hardware wallet, an exchange, or a mobile app. Paste it here and hit next. Now SimpleSwap will generate a deposit address for you. This is where you'll send your Bitcoin. So open your Bitcoin wallet, send the exact amount to that address, and once they receive it, SimpleSwap handles the rest automatically. They swap it and send your USDT straight to your wallet. Okay, that's it. No accounts, no hassle, super easy. Okay, fixed this floating rate. One important thing to point out: when you're setting up the swap, you'll see an option for floating rate and fixed rate. Floating rate means the rate can change while your transaction is being processed. This usually gives you the best rate, but the final amount can vary slightly. Fixed rate looks at the rate for a short period, so you know exactly how much you get. Okay? And for small amounts, floating rate is fine. For bigger swaps, sometimes it's safer to pick the fixed rate to avoid surprises if the market swings. Okay? All right. Now let's check out the loyalty program, which I think is a nice little bonus. Okay? So guys, every time you swap, you earn swap tokens. These are SimpleSwap's and reward tokens. You can accumulate them and then use them to get cashback or other perks. To check your swap tokens, you don't need to create an account for the loyalty program, but don't worry, it's super quick, just an email, nothing complicated. If you swap frequently, these points can really add up over time. So next up, the affiliate program. If you're for example, a blogger, a YouTube channel like this one, or you just want to share your link with friends, you can earn a commission every time someone swaps using your unique referral link. Okay, and you'll find this in the top menu at your affiliate program. Sign up, get your link, and you can even add a swap widget to your own website. So it's a nice passive income stream if you have a crypto audience. That's cool. Okay. And one thing I love about SimpleSwap is how smooth it works on mobile. If you open the site on your phone, the swap widget adjusts perfectly and you can do everything on the go. Also, the support team is really responsive. If anything goes wrong, maybe you made a mistake with your wallet address or a transaction is delayed, you can hit the chat icon or send them a message here. Okay. So it's easy. They're usually pretty quick to sort things out, okay? So I know some of you may wonder, is this safe? Okay, good question. SimpleSwap doesn't store your funds. They just process the swap, so you don't need or don't have an account balance sitting on their server. That means there is no custodial risk. They've been around since 2018. And have a good reputation in the crypto space still. Always double check the wallet addresses you enter, and that's just a good crypto agent. All right, so that's SimpleSwap in a nutshell. Super easy, clean interface. So no signups, no over 1050 coins to swap instantly. If you want to check out, I'll drop my affiliate link down in the description. If you use it, you'll support the channel and no extra cost to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what platform I should review next. Or if you have any question about SimpleSwap, I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.